For consignment at the Classic Auto Mall is this Generation 1 Ford Bronco right out of 1967 with a recent frame-off restoration, a suspension and body lift, a powerful V8, plush leather interior, and even a body-matching hardtop, all done by the talented hands of the Bronco Barn in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This vehicle lives up to its name as it is unbroken on the acceleration front. A full press of the accelerator and it is off like its namesake. We give you the 1967 Bucking Bronco. Looking sweet in its rock-climbing steady red hue, nifty wheels, lift kit, and overall excellent condition. Saddle up with this fully documented build that was featured in the February 2019 Road and Track magazine. For more information and to see if this is still available, visit classicautomall.com. We have more than 1,000 cars in stock to choose from.